So as you worship and as you give your life and as you stand and you sacrifice your life, you give up those things that are just of you and you go, God, what is your will? What do you want me to do? What do you have for me? What am I to sacrifice? Who am I to speak to? What am I to do? Who am I to reach? You are called to be a living sacrifice. Worship's not something that you just come here and do, at church or at something like this. Your life is to be lived in worship. That means your life is to be given for the King. Every single one of you have a plan and a purpose and a call. And I believe that from today, some of you, hopefully, will go, you know what? My life will be worship to God. It's not something that I will just do. My life will be worship to God. I choose to give my life for the King. He is my Lord.